Hello and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create an assembly design within Catia V5 and I'm going to use some of the parts that I have done in the previous videos. So let's start with, oh, not this one, sorry. I want the part which is going to be the fixed one, which is this one. And now we can add a fixed constraint. So now we can bring the axis. There we have, and let's make a contact between this face and cylindricity between this and this. Okay, so now we can keep adding the plate, which will be part of the main handle to add rotation into our assembly. So if I just do this and add this with this one, and also just constrain these two planes just to be sure that when the axis rotates, this plate will follow. And now let's add the handle. Where it is? There it is. So again, touching condition, this face with this one, cylindricity there and there. And again, let's constrain this and this to 0. Okay, so now let's add one of the parts that I have created using a video. So it will be the top part. And we need to do touching. First, we can add cylindricity between this one and this one, and attaching condition between this one and this one. Okay, and now we need to be sure that this, let me see, this plane is aligned with this one. Just to be sure that when we rotate, this part will follow as well. So let's add the part which is going to be there, which is this one. And we will have a cylindricity here. And we can use the is face to create a touching condition between this face and this face. Let's keep moving and add the bottom part as well. Where it is, bottom part. So we will have touching condition. Let me just, this one, contact between this face, cylindricity, this one, and again cylindricity, this one, this one. Okay, so I cannot do that. So let's remove this because I need, let's hide this 1 second. And this cylindricity is between this one and this one. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, so what else do we need? So I think that we need also a touching condition between this face and this one. Okay, so this is not needed. It's over constraint. So let's remove it. And we just need to put the, yeah, the stats that are going to block the green square against these two parts. So let's bring them. So will be firstly this one. Oops, I have the wrong geometry here. So just 1 second. It will be, sorry, this one. Where it is. Here it is. And we can do cylindricity between this and this. and we can create an offset between this face and this face, which will be, let's put 3 millimeters. Let's see. Oops. I will want minus 3 millimeters. I need it to be farther just to be so that they can pass through the other part. So minus 6. I will take minus 8. Yeah, that's much better. So we need to add it again. This one. And we need to repeat the same operation. Cylindricity here and here. And we have said an offset of minus 8. I think it was minus 8. Yep. So we just need to bring the longer one. And now, just to complete this assembly, let's bring the longer stud, and it will be cylindricity there, and we can use just here these two planes to allocate it 0, and there we have. And let's check now if we have done all the constraints rightly. So in theory, when we rotate the handle through this axis, these two parts should rotate as well. So in order to do that, let's check manipulation, activate with respect to constraints, define our rotation axis, which will be this one, and try to rotate the handle. Okay, so looks like we have done the assembly right. So this is one way of checking if you have done the assembly right and the movement that you want the assembly to do is being done correctly, but you need to do it manually. So what we are going to do in the next video is using the kinematics APP within Catia V5. We will apply a rotation movement here just to keep a constant rotation. So if you uh, want to watch the next video, be checking my YouTube channel because the video will be published in the next few days. And don't forget to leave your comments and, of course, your thumbs up as always. See you.